Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SADAN-TV YouTube channel. Today our video is about the best bowlers in the cricket world. Bowling is one of the most important aspects of cricket, and the ability to take wickets can often be the difference between winning and losing a match. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most talented and skilled bowlers in the world, who have the ability to swing the ball, bowl with pace and accuracy, and spin the ball in ways that leave the batsman stumped. From Australia's Pat Cummins to Afghanistan's Rashid Khan, these bowlers have made their mark on the international cricket scene and have become household names in the world of cricket. So, get ready to witness some of the best bowlers in action and find out what makes them truly exceptional. Shaheen Afridi, Pakistan. Shaheen Afridi is a Pakistani left-arm fast bowler known for his pace and swing. He made his international debut in 2018 and has since become one of the most exciting young bowlers in world cricket. Pat Cummins, Australia. Pat Cummins is an Australian fast bowler known for his consistent pace and accuracy. He made his international debut in 2011 and is currently the vice-captain of the Australian cricket team. Jasprit Bumrah, India. Jasprit Bumrah is an Indian fast bowler known for his unusual bowling action and his ability to bowl Yorkers with precision. He made his international debut in 2016 and is currently considered one of the best bowlers in the world. Trent Boult, New Zealand. Trent Boult is a left-arm fast bowler from New Zealand known for his ability to swing the ball. He made his international debut in 2011 and has since become one of the leading bowlers for the New Zealand cricket team. Kagiso Rabada, South Africa. Kagiso Rabada is a South African fast bowler known for his pace and aggression. He made his international debut in 2014 and has become one of the most feared bowlers in world cricket. Jofra Archer, England. Jofra Archer is an English fast bowler known for his raw pace and athleticism. He made his international debut in 2019 and has since become a key player for the England cricket team. Mitchell Starc, Australia. Mitchell Starc is an Australian left-arm fast bowler known for his pace and swing. He made his international debut in 2010 and has since become one of the leading bowlers in the world. Rashid Khan, Afghanistan. Rashid Khan is an Afghan leg spinner known for his accuracy and variations. He made his international debut in 2015 and has since become one of the leading bowlers in the world in the shorter formats of the game. Mohammad Shami, India. Mohammad Shami is an Indian fast bowler known for his ability to swing the ball both ways. He made his international debut in 2013 and has since become one of India's leading bowlers in all formats of the game. Kyle Jamieson, New Zealand. Kyle Jamieson is a New Zealand fast bowler known for his height and ability to extract bounce from the pitch. He made his international debut in 2020 and has since become one of the most promising young bowlers in the world. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.